How do you construct nouns in Tagalog? There is a formula. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In this video, I am responding to a request posted by a subscriber of this channel. Gao Runfeng writes, and I will paraphrase what he wrote. He wants an introduction to the affix pag that when combined with root words can become nouns, gerunds, and verbs. In my response to him, I said I will, but the answer will be long since the topic has a number of dimensions to it. So, Gao Runfeng, I'm going to reply to you as concise but as extensively as I can. So, I'm breaking down my answers into 3 videos that will cover the following. First, using pag prefix plus root words to create Tagalog nouns. Second, using the pag prefix plus root word combined with the suffix an to create verbs. And third, using the pag prefix plus root words combined with the in suffix to create other verbs. There are other pag plus root word combinations out there, but the 3 that I will cover are the more common ones and the most likely nouns and verbs you will encounter. If you wish to know more about how Tagalog words like nouns, pangalan, and verbs pandiwa are created, you can check out episodes 62 to 64 for the explanation. The links are in the description box down below. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin. In this video, I will cover my first response using pag to create Tagalog nouns. We have 2 formulas. These are, first, pag prefix plus the root word. Second, pag prefix plus the reduplicated first syllable of the root word plus the root word. Both of these formulas produce Tagalog nouns that in English are actually verbs that end in ing, like playing, eating, running, which are verbs but actually act like nouns. These verbs that act like nouns in English are called gerunds. In Tagalog, they're just nouns. So, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's tackle the first formula, the pag prefix plus root word combination. Nouns created from this formula express the acts of doing an action or manner of action related to the root word. Here are some Tagalog nouns created from that prefix and root word combination. Pag plus bati, greet. Pagbati, greeting or the manner of greeting. Pag plus alis, leave. Pag-alis, leaving or departure. The root word alis has a second meaning, take away. So we have pag-alis, taking away. Pag plus dating, arrive. Pagdating, arriving or arrival. Pag plus sulat, write or letter or correspondence. Pagsulat, writing or the manner of writing. Next, I will read the Tagalog nouns and their meaning. You can make out the root words and their meaning from the table. Here goes. Pagbasa, reading or the manner of reading. Pagsabi, saying or the manner of saying. Paglakad, walking or the manner of walking. Pagtakbo, running or the manner of running. Pagtawid, crossing or the manner of crossing. Pagluto, cooking or the manner of cooking. Pagkain, eating or the manner of eating, also means food. Pag-inom, drinking or the manner of drinking. Paglinis, cleaning or the manner of cleaning. Pagpunas, wiping or the manner of wiping. Pagsayaw, dancing or the manner of dancing. Pag-indak, swaying or the manner of swaying, also means dancing. Pagkanta, singing or the manner of singing. Pagtawa, laughing or the manner of laughing. Pag-iyak, crying or the manner of crying. Pag-ukit, carving or sculpting, or the manner of carving or sculpting. Pagguhit, drawing or the manner of drawing. Pagtulog, sleeping or the manner of sleeping. Pagbangon, getting out of bed or the manner of getting out of bed. Pagmasid, observing or the manner of observing. The last one is interesting. Pagtingin, the manner of looking at someone or something, also means affection or love. Ayos ba? So far, so good. Now, let's tackle the second formula, the pag prefix plus reduplicated first syllable of the root word plus the root word. Nouns created from this formula express the act of doing an action expressed by the root word repeatedly, habitually, regularly, or continuously. Here are some nouns created from that. I'll use the same root words from the first formula for comparison. Pag-aaral, studying habitually. Notice that the syllable a is repeated. Same is true for the rest of the nouns in these examples. Pagbabati, reconciling or reconciliation. Notice where the stress in the pronunciation is made. Pag-aalis, taking away habitually. Pagsusulat, writing habitually. Pagbabasa, reading habitually. Pagsasabi, saying something habitually. Paglalakad, walking habitually. Pagluluto, cooking habitually. Pagkakain, eating habitually. Pag-iinom, drinking habitually. Paglilinis, cleaning habitually. Pagpupunas, wiping regularly. Pagsasayaw, dancing habitually. Pagtatawa, laughing continuously. Pag-iiyak, crying habitually. Paglalaro, playing habitually. Pagmamasid, observing continuously. Just be aware, not all root words can be combined with pag prefix. There are other affixes to create nouns, but that's a topic for another day. Now, let's use the nouns in sentences. Here are some simple sample sentences with nouns as subject. We will use the simple sentence pattern, adjective plus noun as the subject plus object. Here goes. Matamis ang pagbati ni Marie. Literally, sweet is the greeting by Marie. Or, the greeting by Marie is sweet. Malungkot ang pag-alis ni Ed. Literally, sad is the departing of Ed. Or, the departure of Ed was sad. Now, because we're dealing with nouns and adjectives and the sentences do not have verbs in them, we don't know whether the sentences are happening in the past or in the present. It will depend largely on the context of the conversation. The same applies to the rest of the sample sentences, like, mabilis ang pag-alis ng mga kalat. The taking away of the mess was quick. Masaya ang pagdating ni Peter. The arrival of Peter was fun. Madalas ang pagsulat ni Tess. The letter writing of Tess is frequent. Mabilis ang pagbasa ni Anton. The manner of reading of Anton is fast. Mabagal ang paglakad nila. Their manner of walking is slow. Mabilis ang pagtakbo ng mga atleta. The manner of running by the athletes is fast. Maingat ang pagtawid ng mga bata. The manner of crossing by the children is cautious. Masarap ang pagluto niya. The cooking by him or her is delicious. Or, his or her cooking is delicious. Magana ang pagkain ng bata. The manner of eating by the child is hearty. Marahan ang pag-inom namin. The manner of our drinking is slow. Maganda ang pagsayaw niya. His or her dancing is beautiful. Malungkot ang pagkanta niya. His or her singing is sad. Masarap ang pagtulog ko. My manner of sleeping is satisfying. Or I slept well. Mahirap ang pagbangon ko. My getting out of bed is bad. Or, I have a hard time getting out of bed. Tapat ang pagtingin ko sa kanya. My feelings for him or her is sincere. Now, let's use nouns as objects in the following simple sentences. We will use the verb plus subject plus noun as the object. You will notice that these sentences are in the imperative form or the form that commands or requests. Here goes. Gandahan mo ang pagsulat mo. You make pretty your writing. The context is the writing you're doing now, which is different with this sentence. Gandahan mo ang pagsusulat mo. You make pretty your writing. The context here is that the writing that you do all the time and not just this time. The next few sentences follow these new ones. Diretsuhin mo ang paglakad mo. You straighten up your walking, the one you're doing now. Diretsuhin mo ang paglalakad mo. You straighten up your walking, the one that you do all the time. Ayusin natin ang pagsayaw natin. Let us fix our dancing, the one we're doing now. Ayusin natin ang pagsasayaw natin. Let us fix our dancing, the one we do all the time. Pigilan ninyo ang pagtawa ninyo. You all control your laughing, the one you're doing now. Pigilan ninyo ang pagtatawa ninyo. You all control your laughing, the one you do all the time. Pagbutihin mo ang pag-aaral mo. You make best your studying, or you study hard. The noun pag-aaral does not have a non-reduplicated version. There is no noun pag-aral. It doesn't exist. Agahan natin ang pag-alis natin. Let us make early our departure, or let us leave early. The noun pag-alis, departing, does not have a reduplicated version. So are the nouns in the next examples. Agahan mo ang pagtulog mo. You make early your sleeping, or you sleep early. Sarapan mo ang pagluto mo. You make delicious your cooking, or you cook deliciously. Dalian ninyo ang pagdating ninyo. You all make quick your arrival, or you all come quick. So, there you have it. We have discovered how nouns are created with the prefix pag. There are more root words that can be combined with the prefix pag to create nouns. This video gives you a flavor of the possibilities. This video is just 1/3 of my response to the request of Gauron Feng. In the next two videos, I will continue with my response to Gauron Feng's request, and I will focus on explaining how to create verbs using the prefix pag. I hope you catch that, and please do hit the like button because that will help this channel and this video to be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. All right? I will see you again soon as we continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.